An enclosure is like a blank canvas. To turn it into something, you could drill some holes or print a logo yourself, but what about when modifying an enclosure becomes too tedious, overcomplicated, and distracts you from your core business? A third-party vendor can add time, expense, and hassles. To turn a standard Hammond enclosure into a work of art, call Hammond. Our modifications program includes low minimum orders, personal service, and fast turnaround on prototypes. Our experienced designers are ready to tackle your project. Enclosures are our business, so we're experts. We're able to use our industry savvy to get your order done right and on time. When you work with Hammond, you won't lose the personal touch. Our engineering team takes the time to make sure your enclosures are built to exact specifications, from prototype to production to packaging. For more information on factory-modified enclosures or thousands of in-stock Hammond products, visit us on the web at hammondmfg.com.